Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in today's video we are going to be looking into part 2 of wine making. So if you have not checked out the first video, make sure you check out this video here first, because this is where I'll be talking about the ingredients and the process of making the wine. I'll also be linking it up in the iBar. But in this video we're going to be transferring the wine from the jar into the bottle and just going to check. So let's start now, and my husband is here to help me out. So I'm just gonna open the wine jar, and then we have the homemade mixture. So we're giving it a stir now, and he's going to transfer this into another glass bowl to remove the residue, those grapes pieces and everything else that we added. He's going to remove that to collect just the wine. So we are using a filter here, preferably a big one, so it's easier for you to pour into another bowl, and muslin cloth to catch all the residue. So we are going to add that into this glass bowl now. Make sure everything is very clean and dry, and carefully pour it over. Just carefully tipping it into this glass bowl. If you have a bigger glass bowl, then that's good too. We are just going to be doing this in small batches because we don't have a very big bowl. Just collecting only the residue, so the wine comes down neat into the and gets collected in the bowl. So we have the perfect clean wine collecting at the bottom. So we're just going to continue to do this until this bowl fills up. It's always better if you have a bigger glass bowl. It wouldn't take up so much time. And also in the previous video I had mentioned that we're going to keep it for 21 days. But we left it for a little over a month, I think a month and a week, because it wasn't ready enough. It was still very sweet. It was more like grape juice, so we had to leave it a little longer. But if 21 days is perfect for you, when you taste the wine, if you find it perfect, you can do that. So I'll catch you back when this bowl is full. You may see that the wine is slightly purple because these are the store-bought grapes. But if you want the perfect dark wine color, then you can go in for the grapes that are specifically used for wine. The wine grapes, you can use that to get a much darker color. So if you see, this bowl is full, and now we are using another glass bowl because we don't have a large bowl enough to contain all the wine. So we have our wine here, and we are going to transfer it now into this glass bowl, which we have washed and dried with warm water. So you can get a glass bottle as such. And now we are using a measuring cup to pour in the wine. If you have a funnel, that's good too. It's anything that is easier to transfer the wine, and make sure everything is clean and dry. So let's now pour it in. So if you see here, we have not filled the wine until the brim. We have left a little bit of space. and we're just going to seal the bottle now, and the wine is going to stay in this bottle for another week before we open it. So it's just going to stay in there, and that's it. So guys, we have our wine here. Let's see how it tastes now. It's nice and sweet, just the way I like it. I like it more towards the juice side because I need that sweetness, otherwise I cannot like take it. So this is perfect for me, and so I hope you liked this video, and I hope when you try it, I hope your wine comes out perfect as well. So give it a try, and let me know how it goes. And if you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you up with another very interesting video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.